Oof. So we're headed back up today. Not exactly sure what the plan is, but we had a few suggestions. It's really warm compared to the last time. It's supposed to be raining. No sign yet. Got like a 60% chance of showers for this evening and tomorrow. Oh boy. I don't know how much of that I'm gonna do. We'll see how it ends up looking back home on the computer. Got my new tripod. Also got the saw as well, which is a bonus. So we're just trying something new here. Headed up to the shelter. This will be trip number 4. The actual 5th time I've been up there, but one time we don't count, so. Night and day difference between this time and last time. Last time, as soon as you stopped, you were shivering. It was so cold. This time it's almost too warm still. I wish. Yeah, it had heavy rain yesterday, and I mean heavy rain. Really left a mess of this path. Water everywhere, and everything's washed out. This bog isn't fun on the best of days, but it's soaked here today after all that rain. I think I just got my foot wet. Making my way back to the shelter though. Got a ways to go yet. And we are back yet again. And it seems like everything is held up. No issues here at all. Looks like something was digging at the fire. We must have smelled something that wasn't food. That tarp put up. My new saw. Getting on back to our shelter. The sun is kind of hiding away behind some pretty dark clouds up there. I don't know how it looks on the camera, but 60% chance of showers. And it looks like we may just get them, so I want to get that tarp up pretty soon, but first I think I'm just going to take a quick break and have a snack there. Broke out the pretzels, got some cheese and crackers. Not going to light the fire yet, but once I do, I got some Viennas for a snack. And then over here I've got for supper some potato, cheese, frozen burger, and a bun to go with it. So after being here with Beach last time and we had the big feed, a couple big feeds actually, kind of got inspired to bring a little bit of food this time. I didn't have to bring the big old saw, which is the size of my bag, so got the new little one there. Hopefully it works out well. We'll find out after I have my snack and stuff here. Had a little snack and put the tarp up as well just to be safe. The flies are getting out of hand altogether. So I really want to get a fire going as soon as possible, so I'm going to start cutting some wood. So it's time to see how this thing works out. This is a whatever there, chameleon, 7-inch folding saw. I got it off eBay, 25 Canadian bucks, delivered, so it's pretty cheap. I tested it a little tiny bit already into the stump at home and it worked pretty well, so we'll see how it goes now on a actual tree. I'm gonna try to take this guy. He's not very straight at all, that's why he's still here, but I'm just gonna burn him, I think. We'll see how this goes. Cuts really well. This is nothing but rot. Let's try it. Not bad. Got those two brought down. So I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to end up building today, but I did get a suggestion from John to put up some posts up above so we can hang a tarp above for a roof, basically. Just a temporary roof whenever we need one. I definitely need a bigger tarp, but I think I'm going to put those posts up for now anyway. So I want it to be nice and sturdy. I don't want it just hanging there. This tree is not the most solid anyway, but it's kind of still alive up there. So I think I'm going to tie another post onto the side of him. Good enough, I guess. Just laid that guy up there. He's way too rotten to actually use, but he's just testing. I just wanted to test the angle. The angle is a little bit heavy there now. So I want to bring that guy down just a little bit. I'll cut him off a little bit shorter. So the idea for now is that it slopes back to there so that it will all join together basically when it's set up. I'm not sure how well that'll work. If that doesn't work, so I'll just end up raising all these ends and it'll angle towards this corner instead, which is now the high corner. Because that won't be too much work where it's only a couple posts. It's not going to be a full roof. So we'll see how it works in the end. I'm just getting a few posts cut for now. I really got to get that fire going. The flies are really bad. So I think that's going to be the next plan here. Go around and try to find some dry stuff to start a fire with. Some beard. Some beard. Lots of beard. Beard all over these trees. And it feels nice and dry too. Even though it rained not too long ago. And the beard. Never hurts to get too much. Especially when everything's soaking, because you got to get a lot of heat going to get things burning. Like these kind of things. I'm just going to take that with me actually. We'll see how it goes. I gotta say the saw works great though. It's just as easier than the box saw. And it's way lighter, way smaller. I don't really think I have enough here, but I am going to try all the same. Make it nice and small and all together so the fire can spread a lot easier. Shall see how well this actually works. Charcoal back in. It should burn pretty good. Light it on. And let's light it. And have high hopes. High hopes to get rid of the flies. It doesn't look like it's working. Nothing. Didn't think so. We'll have to try again. A bunch more this time. See how this works out. Take all the sticks back. Better burn. Everything is soaking. Too much water. Hard to get her going. But she will burn now. Flies are gone. That's awesome. I think I'm going to get a stick. So I got one right there. Roasted Vienna. We'll let her burn for another few minutes first though. I've just been cutting back the poles on top of the bed there to make it better for the roof. As I've been waiting for the fire to burn up. It's still burning just fine, but where it's so wet, it's taking its time. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna finish out these guys for now. I really don't have that much time left in today anyway. It's a bit late by the time I got up here. But my plan is to get work done tomorrow, honestly. I'm not leaving right away in the morning. Unless it's raining or anything like that. We'll see how it goes. Got myself a stick here to roast some Viennas. Just going to shave down a point onto her. Yeah. Maple leaf Vienna sausages. Drain that out. Pop one of those guys up. And we'll just shove them on there. No barbecue sauce or nothing to throw on top of her. Oh, I lost her. I want that kind of stuff to happen. All that effort for nothing. Certainly takes a while. Can you hear that foghorn? Oh, starting to fall again. Starting to burn on the end. But probably don't even look that good. But it looks pretty good to me. Frying pan. Speed up this process a bit. See how that works out for us. It's getting late on me now, but I got this guy cut down. And I also forgot that there's another guy left there as well, so I'm going to cut this guy, and he's going to go from that corner up to there. I'll pull that guy down and replace it with that guy over there. But actually, I may get another one, because that one's pretty long. Get another one, put it across here, and then use that long one as a diagonal between this corner and that corner. Yeah, that's the plan actually. So I'll have to cut another tree as well. But from then on, that might be it for work for tonight. It's getting a bit dark. I might have to cut more wood. Actually, I definitely got to cut more wood. So I'll use the ends here for firewood, but I'll have to run out and grab a few more sticks somewhere, I'd say. It's been a good trip so far. The foghorn's going off down there, so it must be foggy down on the coast, but it's still clear up here yet. Fire's burning right nice now. Even though the wood is really wet, it's still burning away. Soon gonna make my burger after I get a bit of work done. Pretty dark there now, but I got a few poles put up. So that's going to be it for tonight. I'm going to run around and cut some firewood there now. But it's too dark to do any filming or anything. Alright, I got my hot chocolate going here. But it's time now for supper, I believe. So I'm going to start off with the potato. Gotta peel it first. All these peels are going to go right into the fire. Could just eat the skin as well, but this guy has a bit of rot going on, so better off to just peel it so I can see all the places where there is rot and get rid of them. If I were trying to get every bit out of the potato, I would definitely be eating the skin and all. But this guy's huge for me anyway. And I'm just gonna make some hash browns, I think. Oh, that was a little thin. Chop these guys up into little chunks. And if the chunks are too big, chop them up. I should have a cutting board made up. Don't want to forget about that fire over there either. Should be good for a bit yet. So much potato. I hope it doesn't rain. And that's it, the full of the pan. Load of potatoes. Just got this little bottle filled up with cooking oil. So we're just gonna dump that all over. Nice and healthy. This is gonna go on the fire. Something like that. And it's a non-stick type pan, so I don't really want to be using metal in it, but that's all I got right now. Potatoes are coming along. Can't wait. I never thought to bring any salt though. Trying to cook on top of those logs is not the best because they keep burning down on me. Oh. Oh, they are looking good. Looking real good. Now for the best part. Brought an extra slice of cheese. Throw that all in there. Don't have any salt, but that's all we can do for now. I got so much. I still got a burger left to cook. Can't wait for that either. Yeah, that's it. Lunchtime. Oh my god. That is so good. Not worth it on long trips, but for one night, I've got lots of room now to bring some good food with me.